Now, the Steamrollers, the High Notes, and finally, the Vogues. The arena has loaded. Buckle up. Get ready for the ultimate cash crunch. The first team to hit that magic number will claim victory.
Sure thing. Ready, set, chase that cash, just like Scotty said. We've got our first elimination. Now the mind games and strategic plays will really start to take center stage.
We've got some trigger-happy contestants out there today. Love it. The High Notes just have one member still standing. No more three-part harmonies for now.
Secure all points.
The match is starting to heat up as the Vogues have started our first cash out. Looks like a team wipeout for the Steamrollers.
Rolled up like an old carpet. Go defensive on.
The Steamrollers have recovered and respawned.
The High Notes have made a resounding comeback.
The High Notes commandeered a cash out. Great steal.
Initiating a scan. A turnaround never goes out of fashion. Just look at the Vogues.
A nifty steal by the Vogues. The Steamrollers have lost all but one contestant. Let's see whether they adopt a more defensive strategy. Yikes! Team wipe for the Steamrollers.
Steam has got to be coming out in their ears now.
The Vogues are playing for keeps. They've snagged the match's first cash out.
Heading to Vault 2.
We've got the Steamrollers returning to the arena. The Vogues are opening Vault 2. cash out underway thanks to the Vogues.
Go! Up there! I just got word from our producers that we're about to launch an event. Our contestants better buckle up.
Chance to be a hero for the Steamrollers' last contestant here. Our sponsors are ready to be impressed.
Sky laser activated. Let's just say that standing still in the arena is really not recommended right now.
The Steamrollers have returned to the arena. That's the buzzer. Fantastic performance from all involved. One of our teams have just paved their way to fame. Congratulations to our winners.